Brian back here. We're going to take a look at this Gala chart here, and then I have a price prediction. Not my prediction, a professional's price prediction for 2025 to 2032, I believe it is. But yeah, I have all the faith in the world in this coin, this company. I mean, they are just they're making partnerships right and left. If you go over here and just even search Gala Games. All right, and go to the news. Special poker app lands on Gala Games 2 days ago. How Gala brings Web3, launches turn-based RPG Champions Arena 4 days ago. Gala Games ships NFTs to Gala Chain, partners with Elixir 3 weeks ago. Gala Games The Walking Dead, what you need to know. 4 days ago, Gala Games ecosystem welcomes its latest title, Champions Arena. Constantly, Gala Games, Gala token benefits from alt-season onset despite the SEC threat. Gala Games takes its blockchain games to Elixir. All eyes on Gala price. Gala Games and One Universe launches Champions Arena on multiple platforms. All kinds of news out there for Gala Games. I mean, this thing... after the last bull run, I was in Gala, and I love this coin. I love this company. I think there's big things coming here with Gala. All right. Well, obviously we had this low over here of 0.01542. Okay, right down here. Looks like possibly we're heading down there. When last time I looked at this chart, we nailed this ABC. Okay, and if you're interested in learning how to use charts, read charts, draw trend lines, support and resistance lines, I have over 4 hours of content. Level 3 membership. I'm 1 month only. I'm going to do $14.99. It's normally $24.99. There's almost 5 hours worth of videos in there. I put a new video in there weekly. 1 month only. Okay, I'm going to do that. So if you're interested, the people that have bought it, I have gotten great feedback from. They're shooting me messages about price areas, support and resistance. So I am very confident you will find $15 worth of value in those videos. If you go look for videos like that on the internet, they're going to cost you hundreds of dollars for sure. So 1 month only. I'm going to do that, and then it's going back up because. I believe that the people that are new to the channel, the people that have supported me, you guys deserve a shot at it, and you'll definitely, one trade, you'll get your $14.99 back. Pretty confident in that. Yeah, I'm going to put a video in there today, how to get in long and shorts. So check it out if you want. Like I said, I'm just going to run it through September. That's it. But this one here, we nailed this. Okay, we had I'm going to show you. Up here was our A leg, came down. This was the top of our B right here. Okay, so that's going to give us a target for our C leg. We're going to move it to the side a second. We bring down the top of the A on top of the B. Boom. There is our bottom. Gave us a target right to it. Okay, nailed it right to the dot. Right, we did that. I don't know. This is on the weekly. We did this a couple months ago. I didn't even want to put a video out about an ABC coming in because I knew the negative feedback I'd get, and I tried to just avoid it. But I put it out there. And I think that was one of the last galas I did because I knew price action was coming down. All right. Each one of these candles represents a week. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1 month. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it was way back here when I mentioned that ABC coming in. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news when they do stuff like that, but looks like we are leveling out down here. The last couple of months has been, we've been just pretty much in this one channel here. Right, let me see here. I apologize. I was looking for a, that'll work. We've been just right in this zone right here, bouncing around. So could be an accumulation zone. Looked like it was 5 waves down here. I'm going to go through this price prediction in a second for you guys, but it looks like it was 1, 2, 3, 4, You know, this could be the fifth wave coming down. Is it going to bottom right here, like over here? Very possible, you know. And if you zoom out, if you even go out in a monthly and look at this thing, you know, this very well could be, you know, could be. There's no guarantees about anything, you know. Let me find my pen here. Here we go. Oh, there's my arrow marker finally. Alright, somehow I lost my few of my things in here, and haven't been able to figure out how to get them back for some reason. I don't know where the heck they went, but anyway, this looks like a possible W or double bottom coming in, you know, and bouncing out of here. W or double bottom, whatever you want to call it. Absolutely looks like that could possibly be playing out here. Okay, you see the volume we got when this bottom came in. Obviously a ton of volume here, but I believe that could be a bottom coming in here at 0.0155, just like over here, or 0.0154, whatever. I got that wick down right there. All right, so watch out for that. As far as the RSIs, we have the monthly still pulling down. We don't have much of one on that. We have the weekly. The weekly's at a 3 and a 21. Looks like it's flattened out down here in the regular RSI. The daily coming up, okay, 45 and a 36. The 12-hour turning up. The 8-hour also turning up. Okay, so it looks like it has found some support right through here. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on that. Watch for that area to hold, that 0.01847. You know, if we move it down here to the wick that we got here. All right, and we move back out on the weekly. All right, you can see these price areas. Let me get that off there. All right, so if we lose the 0.0178, that was this wick down here, then watch for this double bottom to come in down here at 0.0154, 154, 155. I would be, me personally, if we lose this area, I might be looking to get in a long down here for sure. You know, that might be a very good long position. Got that weekly almost reset, okay, pulling down, which could pull this price down a little bit further with the weekly, and then get that curve back up and get a bounce out of here. That's, you know, best case scenario I'm looking at right now. So keep a very, very close eye on that price range. All right, let's get over to the price predictions here. Gala Games. All right, I'm going to go through these because, all right, this comes from coinculture.com. Okay, they cover the markets, the tech, the people, businesses, everything, hot topics, NFT game forecasts, you know, exchanges, crypto exchange reviews, exchange comparisons. I mean, look at all this stuff. They got tons of stuff in here. Blockchain guide, DeFi guide, trading guide, Ripple guide, NFTs. They cover a lot. They're in crypto deep. Okay, so you can see right at the top. They have everything running. It's just been a down time for everybody right now, with Bitcoin not doing a whole lot. The Dow Jones, you know, needs to hold support and bounce. You know, so we'll keep an eye on everything here. And Bitcoin, what is that up there? 29,507. It's not at 29,000 bucks. Oh, that's, I'm sorry. It probably goes back. This article came out July 6th of 2023. So I'm taking it that that's the prices from then. Okay. So this article came out roughly almost 2 months ago. All right, let's go down through it here. All right, we get down to the price predictions. Experts' opinions. All right, let's get it. Here it comes. All right, for 2023, and they're right down here. Minimum of 0.036 to 0.042. All right, well, we went below that. We're at 0.019 right now. Okay, 2024, they have 0.05 to 0.06. 2025, 0.08 to 0.09. They start getting good. 2026, 12 cents to 14 cents. 2027, 18 to 21 cents. 2028, 26 to 31. 2029, 37 to 44 cents. 2030, 54 to 64 cents. 2031, 80 cents to 93 cents. 2032, $1.19 to $1.36. Okay, $1.36. Right now, from where we're at, roughly 2 cents. I'd say what, 60, 70x. All right, so for every $1,000 you had in it, you get 60 to 70,000 back in what, 10 years. Not too bad if it worked out like that. Okay, the bull runs. I believe that bull run's going to be coming in next year. I could see Gala. Me personally. All right, if we open up this chart. All right, the last time this thing went from, I don't know what it was. I got 250,000 Gala for $37.77. I bought it when it first came out. When Gala first launched, man, I wish I would have bought more. I thought, what the heck, I'll buy 250,000. It came to $37.77. I just didn't say, oh, I'm going to buy $37 worth. A quarter of 250,000 coins was $37, almost 38. Boy, oh boy, if I could rewind time, it was crazy. I don't know how many X that was. $37 to 860, almost $200,000. Pretty crazy. I didn't sell at the top. I wish it did. Believe me, that would have been incredible. But I don't know what it was. Gala was up. I really don't remember what I got rid of it at. But if you even put a fib on this thing, that's how a lot of experts get their prices. Okay, we're going from the full length here. This Fibonacci, full extension gives it a $4.32, $4.50. And the Fibonacci, this is a very, very good tool. And this is taken from the 84 cents, the previous all-time high. Okay, now you might say, oh my gosh, that's crazy. That'll never happen. There ain't no way that'll happen. This guy's out of his mind. This is going from the 83 cents, remember. Okay, so what's that? That's a 5x from the previous, 6x from the previous all-time high up to $4, $4.34. So we'll see. These Fibonacci's, they work. On Bitcoin. If you go put it on Bitcoin, actually Bitcoin's market cap, it nailed it right to the top. The altcoin market. If you go from the previous all-time high, let me just show you real quick. So you're probably like, oh, this thing don't work. But this thing is incredible. Let's take a look here. The previous, right back here, this was 2017. All right, if we put a fib on it, I'm not going to get exact here. Let me see what this thing did. Well, this thing did a 2618. It went to 1.7. I think it was the. Let's try that. That's the crypto total market cap. Right, you can see this went to 2.618, almost a 3.618. Let me see. It might have been. Let's try the total. Put a fib on it. Top to the bottom. They can give you a very, very good idea of a top coming in. Okay, a 3.618. You go from the previous all-time high. You can see where that thing went to. I'm trying to find that. Well, you gotta look for previous, coins that have previous all-time highs too. Bitcoin, the market cap did a full extension, but Bitcoin did not. Okay, Bitcoin did a, even if you use that 2618 as a reference, okay, it almost got to the 3618, but the 2618 seems to be pretty accurate. So if we went back to Gala and just went to the 2618, okay, on a fib, the 2618 will give it a $2.59. All right, so if you even go halfway on this thing, a full extension, a full blown bull run, $4.23. But $2.60 on a 2618, and the 2618 seems to be pretty accurate. I'm looking for, how about Ethereum? Where's ETH? I got it here. Let's do Ethereum. Oops. CD. I have ETH in here. I know I do. There we go. CDE Ethereum. Alright, the previous. Let's wipe everything off here. 2 drawings. Let's put a fib on it and see where it went. There you go, the 2618. 2618 seems to be a pretty good target. Alright, if you sold here, it got out there and it ran up another, how much more did it run up from the 2618? 2618, you got to start watching it, or 26%. But if you're also watching the RSI, okay, this is on the weekly, when this thing got up to here, alright, which was the 2618, and it started pulling down, you probably would have got out there and thought, well, that was the top, but it ended up having one more push back up. That RSI turned back up. But if you got out right there, you wouldn't be disappointed with just losing that little bit left, okay? You got to use your RSI with everything too, and the monthly probably nailed it. The monthly, 2618, if you would have got out to 2618, yeah, pretty close. Monthly still ran up after it reached the top. Right here you might have thought it was the top, but if you were doing the Elliott waves with it, you would have seen, I can see the Elliott waves right in front of me. If you're tying everything together, watching this market, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, this was your 4th wave, and there's your 5th wave as a blow off. You got to tie everything in together. Your Elliott waves. I love Elliott waves. They work. They are unbelievable. And the more you learn in this market, the better you'll get. ABC came in right there, and this thing went sideways. I don't know if we're going to get much more of a bounce out of ETH. We have the monthly starting to roll over. The weekly still resetting. So I don't know. That looks like the area to break for Ethereum if this thing's really going to go right there. You can see right here was massive support, broke down, resistance. But this was a coin about Gala, so I apologize. Just wanted to show you that, geez, I'm giving you guys lessons for free. I don't care. Whatever. But Gala Games, boy oh boy, like I said, watch for that double bottom on this thing, okay? On a monthly. Looks like a very, very good spot to be watching for a bottom. We have that weekly still pulling down, and looks like a super spot to keep an eye on. Okay, got that. Where were we at here? Let's go back on the weekly. All right, keep a very, very close eye on these areas. Let's put a line down here at what was that, 0.01545, roughly there. All right, if it breaks that support right there at that 0.0177, that was this wick here, then watch for this bottom to come in. Might be a fantastic area. You might nail an entry right there for a double bottom. Alright, thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll talk to you soon.